This is a review of the NZD USD pair, and as we can see, this is for November, first week of November. And let's take a look at this. We have a market is in a downtrend, as we can see. If we bring it down a little bit, market is downtrend, so it's doing lower low and lower high. If we look at this, we can see that the market is doing. So now the market is here. So most likely the market might get here or here. Market is open, as you can see. This is Sunday, November 5th. Most likely, if the market get here, we're gonna have a 200 EMA over here. So most likely the market might do this to go down. And the market also might never make it up here. The market might stay here, wherever it is right now, and continue to go down. As you can see, it respected the EMA here on a week on a daily resistance right here. So price might come up to here before dropping. But price also might get to stay here and continue dropping. So this is downtrend. Last week we can see the market is up because that's the NZD USD. As you can see, if you go back and look at that, the DXY, which is the dollar index, we see price most likely was going down last week. So that's why price in the NZD USD pair was going up. So last week, let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. We know the trend now. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. So here's the 4-hour time frame from last week. This is telling us last week, and price just open. So price either, like we said, might get here, continue to go down, or it might make it to here. If the dollar continue to go down, the NZD USD, instead of going down, might go up. So this is why we want to look at the analysis. Price can come back here. This is the 4-hour time frame to that 4-hour support right here and continue to go up. Depends on what DXY is doing this week. So right now, if I would take a trade, we know the daily tells there is a possibility for a sell, but when you go to the 4-hour time frame and a shorter period, you can see price give you also a possibility that it might continue to go down for a short sell. So, but because price is might do still in the downtrend in a lower time frame, we want to see price break up over that area here, which is the daily resistance, because this is the highest it did last time. So we want price to go above this to come down to make a lower low that is higher low that is higher than this low before we can say high. Price is really break the downtrend. Now it's in an uptrend. So it's not complete yet. We're still in the process. But in the meanwhile, in the 4-hour time frame, we still have time to see price come down here to that level that's been tested so many times. Or there's a smaller level right here. If price is gonna continue to go up, price might come touch it or come as low as right here. So two possibilities. Price might come as low as here to continue to go up, or price might come as low as this. If it's come as low as this, and because we're gonna have a lot of with support right here, most likely if it's when we go to the lower time frame, like 1 hour, 30 minutes, if it's give us confirmation, we probably can enter the market. So we're looking for a condition, which is the trend of the market, entry. So we want to see price go back to a zone, a 4 hour zone or a daily zone. And then the next thing we want to see confirmation. If it has confirmation, a candlestick confirmation in the lower time frame, then we'll either buy or sell. So now your stop loss and take profit will be depends on what you are doing. Let's go to the lower time frame to see what the market did so far. Let's do this before we go to the lower time frame. Let's bring this to this week. This is price open right here. So let's go here. This is the 4 hour time frame. We already have a 4 hour that price here. You see that? Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, price is consolidating over here. Price was been going all week. So you have many possibilities to have trade because price is in an uptrend. So every time price is in an uptrend, price is doing this. Okay, doing this. See that? So when price is doing this, every time price break, see, this is a high. It's come back to retrace. We want to see what's going on here in that area. Here. You can see there's 3 EMAs over here. So price continue to go up. When price here, price retrace. On top of that, you see we have a support right here. He respected it here. It's gonna respect it again, and then give us confirmation. We could enter the market and bring it up, and then we know that the dollar value was going down last week. So this is what's important for us to understand as traders. So now we can't take any trade right now because price is consolidating. But if price will continue to go up, most likely what price open might come here, or if not here, but I would wait. If I down here, definitely I'm looking for to do a trade. This is the I want to trade to go up that way. Most likely to come back. See where it's doing here now. It's creating a support zone. This is what that might look like. So if it's getting here, it gives me confirmation for up, and I'm looking at the dollar value, the DXY, and then I see DXY continue to go down. That's telling me price will continue to go up. And if it's come here to that level here, because there's resistance right that been tested already, and we know there's a 50 EMA right here. Price been respecting that EMAs. So because we're in an uptrend, price is over the EMA, and look at where price touching the 21 days EMA. And then if price come down, that's why I say price might come down here and go up because the EMA probably is gonna make it over here. So that's what I'm looking at the 1 hour. Let's go down to the 30 minutes time frame. As you can see, that's one of my favorite time frame, the 30 minutes time frame. That's where I look for confirmation, 30 minutes or 1 hour time frame before I take a trade. So this is what we can see. Price is bending down or consolidating in this area right here. So if price come down here, price might get to that 21 days moving average and continue to go up. But if it's come down here, we can see price been respecting the 30. Just look at that, the 50 EMA on the uptrend. If price break the 50 EMA, I want to see I will see price come to the 100 EMA, and there is there's a support right here, a 4 hour support. But that would be if I don't take a short buy here, I'm gonna wait here to see what confirmation, candle confirmation I receive here on that zone and on the 100 EMA to take a trade. So that's what we're looking for next week, for this week. And as we can see, when price get to that area here, I want to see, do I have confirmation to sell it for a short sell? Okay, this is two areas I'm looking at for this NZD pair. I'm looking for I'm paying attention to that zone right here for a confirmation to buy, and then I'm looking for another uh, 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 another confirmation in this daily support right here for a short sell. So this is what I'm looking at in the NZD pair for this week. Hopefully, we'll see what the market does. Sometimes the market does what they want to do, so we need to know that as well. So we don't go with our emotion. We wait for the market to tell us what the market tells us.